Hey guys, it's Dreamwolf here, and today we are going to be talking about all sorts of weird stuff today. So, we've released some merch. If you want to do that, go to the catalog. Just look up merch, look at the merch. Look at the merch. Yeah, just look at the merch for a second, hang on. And just go into clothing, go to shirts, and search up I'm admin 10. Just look up I'm admin 55 GHT and it'll come up as it. See, we got the I am admin shirt. Then you have to get some. Then you have to get some. You have to get some black pants for that if you want. Or actually no, I'll make some pants for it, so you don't have to worry about getting. We'll make it now. You don't have to worry about getting it now. Yeah. Because, yeah, and plus on my game, if you want to get the chicken game pass, you can. It's a normal game. It's just a random game of weirdness. So please play it, because I need followers and stuff. So yeah, all you have to do is copy and paste. That's all you have to do, copy and paste. That's all. I'm not making these. These are crap. Tell me how to make an audio. Oh, you have to make an audio file. Alright, we'll make an audio. So yeah, we're just gonna look up audio maker because I'm too lazy to do anything. Oh, audio maker, cool. Just the thing I need. And let's change the background. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be doing all this stuff. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna change the background to a dog. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Yeah, it's a crappy one. But who cares? Who cares? Like, yeah, I'm an idiot. We could just do this. Or you could just do this. Leave it as that. Yeah, you could just do anything and then, yeah. I'm gonna make an audio file. We're making an audio tonight. Okay. if this is like some scam, or so we're gonna make an audio file right now. Peace to Roblox, aka the Fudge. Peace to Roblox, that's my llama pug. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox. Boom, 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 boom. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox. Peace to Roblox, aka the Fudge. Peace to Roblox. Peace to... That is terrible. How do you get rid of this? How do you get rid of this? Delete. Delete. That's horrible. Stop recording. Okay, playback controls. Block. Okay. Worst thing I've ever done. Don't save. Right, let's do this again. Oh god. Alright, let's make another one. Right. Open. Where is this thing? Okay, where's the... Let's get rid of this. Alright. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I like hot dogs, Roblox, park dogs. I like hot dogs. Please download this. I like bananas, including potatoes. Please download this. You get free Robux. Shout out to my YouTube channel, Dream of Fate. Blah, wah, wah, boom.
It was. Oh.
Dogs. I like hot dogs, please.
Oh.
Collect this as a ringtone on my Android phone. Other things. I want this to be my day. Okay, this has gone from crazy to mega fatso. from one level to another.
I like hot dogs, Roblox, pop dogs. I like hot dogs. Please download this. I like bananas including potatoes. You get 2 Robux. Shout out to my YouTube. You get 2 Robux. Shout out to my YouTube channel, Dream of Fate. Blah, 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 boom.
Save.
At the bottom! It's on the silent bowl.
What with?
A balloon.
Okay, maybe. Stereo.
I like
Save. Saved. Hang on. Like, subscribe, you're awesome. Bye, guys.